Hello everyone, welcome to the channel kartiktech.com. In this video I'm going to show you how to host a static website on Firebase for free. So what we need is first of all we need three things. First is Google account, second domain, and third is Google Firebase CLI. So for you are wondering what is Firebase hosting. Firebase hosting is a Google hosting service. It is absolutely free, and it provides static web content to user in a secure and fast and free and easy way. So other hosting will charge you or will be slow if they are free. So why Firebase hosting? Firebase hosting is basically free, so it doesn't cost you anymore. So it provides SSL certificate and offers an impressive speed across multiple geographic locations without the need of a separate CDN on top. So the main thing is that it is free, totally free. It doesn't cost anything. So let's get started. To host a static website, we need Firebase CLI. So let's install Firebase CLI. One more thing, for installing Firebase CLI, we need to install Node.js. You can download Node.js from nodejs.org site. Link in the description. You can download any version. This is light and current, so download whichever you want to use. I have already downloaded and installed it on my PC, so I will skip this part. Next thing is to go to your start menu and open command prompt, and then to install use the npm node package manager and use this command. Use this command to install the Google Firebase tools, Firebase CLI into your machine. I have already installed this software, so basically it will just update my Google Firebase tools. Wait for some time and it will be finished. Firebase hosting is basically the best hosting for a static website. I guess it gives 10 GB storage and 10 GB per month bandwidth. That's way more enough for a static website that for a startup business. After installing Google Firebase CLI, open your web browser and go to Firebase console. Go to console and create a new project. Create a new project and name it whatever you want. You can choose whatever name you want. I'm gonna name it kartiktech.com. You can only use semicolon. I don't know why. You can enable it or disable it. It's your choice. So now the project is ready now. Come to open the website directory. Open where your web HTML files are there, and open with this is the HTML file that I created for showing how to for this demo. Now create a public folder or public folder and copy paste your website. Copy all your HTML files and CSS and folders inside this public folder, or Google Firebase won't be able to host it. So now the command for Now in the command promote, use the command firebase login and it will take you to the sign in page in the browser. Once you have logged in successfully, it will show you something like firebase CLI login successful. So I have already logged in. In the command promote, use the command firebase in it. I made a spelling mistake in first try, so that's a spelling mistake, sorry. Now the Firebase has been initialized. Are you ready to proceed? Press yes. Now select the now press up and down button and select the hosting and press space and then press enter. Use an existing program or create a new project. Choose use an existing project. This will show the project list, and this is the project Karthik Tech Co. This was the project that we created. Press enter. What do you want to use your public directory? Now this is the file, the folder that you put your HTML file inside. So that was the name of the folder was public. So write public. Type public and press enter. Configure as a single page app, no. Press no. If you press yes here, it will rewrite all the files, so press no and hit enter. So file public index.html regex, overwrite, no, don't overwrite it or it will create a new file. Hit enter. Now skipping right of public. Firebase initialization complete. Now use the command firebase deploy. It will upload all your files to the Firebase cloud hosting. Deploying, hosting, adding files to version, uploading new files, 102 initialization version. Now hosting URL. This is the hosting URL is the URL that will mark. This is the URL of your website. Now Control C. So that's how you host your website on Google Firebase Cloud. Now to connect your domain name with this, go to Firebase and click on hosting. You can close it. And here you will find add custom domain. So click on that and type in your domain name and follow the steps, verifying ownership and going live. I have already done this, so that's how you host your website on Google Firebase. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.